right, we're going to have some garlic, mushroom, ginger soup. Yeah. This is some weird lighting. That sun is coming through the window. It's getting a little area of light, but hey. Today I am going to use probably 3 of these green onions. I'm going to use let's see which ones are better stock here. To garnish with, we'll use these. And the knife I'm using today is this new one that I got, MD Hand. I don't know really the brand. I got it on Amazon, and I will leave a link below to this knife. Haven't used it a lot, but it's pretty sharp, and you know me and my knives. Alright, I'm going to cut up these chives to garnish. To garnish my soup a little bit. This is, I'm going to use ramen noodles. So it's like a noodle, ginger, garlic, mushroom noodle soup. Yeah. That's what it calls for. This recipe I saw on Facebook. It said to use, it called for bok choy, and that would be really good. And if I decide I like this, I might just have to get me some bok choy and cook it again, because that sounds pretty good. Hadn't had bok choy in a long time. Okay, I'm going to use a little bit of organic extra virgin olive oil. Light the stove. The problem with boondocking in an RV is I can't turn on my I could turn my light on. Well, the bulb's out. But it is not LED, and it uses lots of power. Sammy says, "What are we cooking?" We are cooking some onions, Sammy. I use a spoon. I'm just going to cook this a little bit. Alright, my garlic is tiny, so I am going to use several little cloves. And use my new little nifty little garlic press. Oops. Gonna have to add more garlic. I'm thinking, gosh, that's just not very much. I'm gonna turn you way down. I'm not ready. I like lots of garlic, but I'm not sure how much ginger, because I'm only making a small portion, so I'm not following the recipe. Well, I'm following the ingredients. Well, some of the ingredients. Ginger. It didn't mince very good. That's minced. It didn't mince like I was thinking it was going to. So I think I'm going to chop it up a little bit. I don't cook with ginger very often, so I thought this would be an experiment. There. That's as minced as it's going to get. And the garlic, I'm going to throw a whole one in there for good measure, because I like cooked whole garlics. Beef ramen. Beef ramen. And I am using this beef bouillon packet. Give it some flavor. Some red pepper flakes. Some soy sauce. Soy? This is low salt, yeah. Because that other stuff. Let's put a little bit in there. I'm going to open up this Thrive Life mushrooms. See if I can show you what they look like. Don't want to catch the can on fire. Those look good, don't they? Freeze-dried mushrooms. I'll get those pushed down in the bottom here in a minute. Look how fast those mushrooms dehydrate. Or hydrate, I guess. Refresh. Okay, it is boiling. I think it is done. Let's turn that down a little bit. Oh, looks good. Looks good. Brothy, yeah. Let's taste the broth. Hot, hot, hot. Very good. Taste the ginger. Got a little bite of ginger there. Gonna have some garlic. And I'm gonna add 1 handful. I plucked a bunch of the spinach out of that spinach salad mix. And it's going in. Let this wilt. And then it will be dinner time. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Let that spinach on my... I get me a bowl and it's time to eat. See what that looks like. I don't know if you can see it because of the sun. Yeah. That looks good. Good. I might even like it better with just spaghetti. But I don't know. I like ramen. Y'all like ramen? I'm going to make a mess is what I'm going to do. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Make a mess. Oh, yeah. And what else? Some of those green onions that I chopped up for garnish. And would you believe? I have some sesame seeds. Oh, yeah. You know what I'm going to add to it, too? Let me taste just this. All right. That is good. Let's eat. I'm going to put a little bit of toasted sesame oil just to give it just a little kick. well, not kick, but little extra flavor. That right there, cheap. Well, the ginger is kind of expensive because I had to buy it in a big batch, but yeah, look at that. All right, let's turn around here and eat. Okay, that looks good, doesn't it? It looks really good. That's exactly what I wanted. It would be good with the bok choy. Throw some cabbage in there. Yeah, it's just a good little veggie soup. I can't eat this on YouTube. Let's see. Those dehydrated mushrooms. So good. Spinach. That is exactly what I was wanting. That is so good. Alright, if y'all have a soup recipe y'all want me to try, because I'm going to be cooking more soups this winter, send it to me. Put it in the comments below or send it to me. You can go to my website at frugalrvgal.com. There's a contact page, and you can fill that out and send me a recipe. I'm especially looking for a tomato soup recipe because I have a whole bunch of tomatoes I need to use. I don't want to use canned tomatoes. I don't mind using like 1 can, but I want to use fresh tomatoes. All right, I'm going to go. Gotta go. I don't want my soup to get cold.